Hey, let me show you how easily we can connect your Sony ULT Field 1 speaker with any Android device, like for example smartphone or tablet. So first of all, you will have to actually click on this power button on your speaker. Just click on it once, and now you can just click on this Bluetooth button to enter for the pairing mode. Now this indicator will start blinking quickly, and as you can see in my phone, I already got this quick connection. So if you have the same notification, just click connect, and after a few moments you will be connected. But if for some reason you don't have this notification, you will have to actually navigate into the Bluetooth settings on your device. So that's how it looks in my Samsung phone. And from this available devices list, I will have to select ULT Field 1. Now when I click on this name, I can accept this pairing request. And as you can see, now I am successfully connected. And you can also download this Sony application to unlock more features of this speaker. So you have to go into the Google Play Store on your Android device, click on the search, and from this input this phrase Sony Music. And we have to actually get this application, Sony Music Center. So click on install button. Now we just have to wait for a few seconds until the download and install will be finished. It will take around a few seconds. Now we can just open it. From this, you can accept every permission that is popping on the screen. From this, we can actually select our region. So in my case, I'm in Poland, so I have to just scroll, and here we are. Then we have to accept this user license. Click next, tap to agree, and click OK. Accept another permissions, click OK again, accept another one, and as you can see, it looks like that we are right now connected. So when you go to the settings, you can find some sound settings like the sound mode. From this we can also find the custom EQ, but for some reason it's actually not available. We can also change the connection quality, and now we can just use your speaker. So this is actually the quick connection tutorial. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.